Guys, this is part 4 of the severe storms, March 6, 2017. Alright, so we're facing southeasternly now, and this lightning is insane. We just got back upstairs. We didn't really miss a whole lot. This is just what's been doing. So, the tornado was in Lee Summit, I think, and the other side of Raytown. But that hail was insane. It stopped hailing right after I stopped filming. But, so we didn't miss anything, excuse me. That was insane, though. And now it's just, torrential rain with, just this constant lightning. But the, tornado warning, I don't know, but sirens go off. I'm probably gonna leave this up here and go downstairs. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Wow. This was what a way to start off the year, though, like with a severe thunderstorm last week that just missed us to the south, and then all this. First two thunderstorm events of the year have been pretty good. Wow. Whoa. There was tons of power outages with these storms, but thankfully we still got power. I believe. Unless we lost. No, we didn't lose it. Never mind. Oh, there we go. So I